Shorjun Hanse appointed as interim General Secretary of AASU. In a significant development, Shorjun Hanse has been appointed as the interim General Secretary of the All Assam Students Union, in short, AASU. The appointment comes at a crucial time as AASU, a powerful student organization, continues its advocacy for the rights and welfare of Assam and its people. Hanse, dynamic leader from the Karbi community, has been actively involved in student politics and social issues for several years. His elevation to the position of General Secretary is expected to bring a fresh perspective to the organization's ongoing initiative, including the preservation of Assam's indigenous culture, language, and rights of the local populace. AASU has historically played a pivotal role in Assam's political landscape, notably during the Assam movement, and continues to influence key issues such as migration, education, and environmental conservation. Hanse's appointment as interim General Secretary underscores AASU's commitment to leadership diversity and inclusion of various communities in its ranks. His experience and leadership are expected to strengthen the organization's efforts in addressing current challenges faced by the state. The AASU leadership, while congratulating Shorjun Hanse, expressed their confidence in his ability to steer the organization forward during this interim period. News Desk Report, Northeast Karbi Live.